What is up, guys? Today was a really short day. We got stopped out back to back bottom frag, so we're gonna take a look and just recap the day, just see whether or not the strat works. Get right into the zoo. Ooh, really dark. Just had my face. Alright, so right off the bat, we get a spike on a swing high first entry, second entry. Down, down. But we do have flatline. That's a pretty good flatline that usually only happens after spikes, so this is a spike, but yeah, usually when we use a strategy it's on that second pullback after the spike. But let's see what happens just using our short. So swing high first entry, second entry is down, down. Is that strength or weakness? We'll say weakness, so we would go for a sell, but since it is a spike, we're supposed to go for a... And we, for some reason, we went for a sell. So that's weakness, buy. Oh yeah, weakness, buy, but we're going against our shot, so sell, yeah. And we get stopped out pretty good, too. This is not our goal, I don't think. Definitely not. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait a minute. Is it our goal? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It is. Okay, so we could just call that a 30%er. Nonetheless, it's still incorrect because now you got to swing on first entry, second entry here. And, but looks at this, it looks like a downtrend. We have disagreement, so we're just automatically supposed to go for a sell. But it is kind of flatlining, but it is on the downside now. It's kind of breaking out of that. But we would sell, and obviously that would stop us out. Unless this is our scalp, which I highly doubt. So I believe this is our signal bar. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep. So it only goes up 10 ticks and stops us out there. If you're to see, but this double bottom first entry, second entry, overall trend is down, disagreement, but now there's a clear flat line. So technically we were supposed to buy here, and of course it's a sell though. So that's 3 trades in a row where the strat, or yeah, 3 trades in a row where the strat just did not work. Okay, now let's see. So technically that means the next 7 trades should work if this is actually 70% win rate. But obviously it's the stock market, and when you have hope it just crushes it. We got swing high first entry, second entry. Overall trend should be down. That blue line is barely above there. It is flatlining, but yeah. So swing high first entry, second entry is overall trend down, I believe so. So disagreement, flatline, but we won't do the flatline in this case just because it's not after a spike. So we just go for a sell, and that actually works. Then we got to swing high first entry, second entry. Overall trend should be down, but it is a spike. So down, down, flatline. Or no flat line, so down, down, and strength. So sell, but spike, so buy. No, that one actually works out. Swing low first entry, second entry. Down, disagreement, flat line in this case. So maybe we have to erase the flatlining, such as obviously it doesn't work. So in this case it would be swing low first entry, second entry, downtrend, disagreement. Let's go for that sell. I think it's time to remove some stuff where flatline this doesn't make sense. Yeah, doesn't work sometimes. Why wasn't it working here? I'm not sure. Okay, swing low. It could just be this day. It is the week before Christmas Eve, and New Year, so market could just be behaving differently, but nonetheless, let's just keep going. Swing low first entry, second entry. This one is just a sucky trade. We went for a sell, we get stopped out by a few ticks, and for a nice looking scalp. So I'm gonna call that 30%er. So obviously the strat's not working that well, because we were supposed to get 7 trades in a row if it was actually 70% win rate. So swing at first entry, second entry, overall trend looks to be up, agreement, but now we got weakness here. So up, now that means weakness, so go for a sell. And your sell would be like there, if that was your signal bar. Kind of weird and sketchy. And yeah, it actually works out. We got swing high, first entry, second entry. Real trend looks to be down now. Down in strength. Sell, but that's obviously not the correct thing to do. Yeah, obviously not. Unless it's a spike, and down, down, down. Yeah, it's a spike. And let's try to confirm that on 48. Hey, we're almost caught up. So like, oh, it's 8:48. So, right? Yeah, 8:48. So right here, that's gonna be like right around there. Yep, so that bar could possibly take that as a spike. I mean, it looks like a spike here. But if it was, then, I mean, it looks like a spike. Breaks below there. No lows around it, so swing high first entry, second entry, down, down strength, so you're supposed to go for a sell, but spikes a buy. That one's kind of sketchy, I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, swing high, first entry, second entry, down, down. There's definitely no spike here in this case. But down, down, strength, oh no, sell. It's good while it lasted. Hopefully it's just this week where the strat doesn't work. Hopefully, praying that it's just because of the holidays that the strat's just not working for whatever reason. But yeah. Overall trend could be up, actually. There's a little bit of support there. I take it as a downtrend now. So down, down, strength. Huh. Right. Swing low right here. First entry, second entry. Overall trend should be up. Just massive strength. So you should be buying, but of course it's a spike. Not around any other eyes. And that's like right here. Yep. 59. Yeah. Go against the strat, so sell. That works out. It seems like 50% trading, to be honest. Swing high first entry, second entry. Overall trend is looks to be down. That point, we can see it right there. Could be up actually. I would say down just because of the highs here. So down. Swing high first entry, so down, down. Is that weakness or strength? I'm gonna say weakness, so buy or not. I guess it's strength. So down, down. So. Going for sell here. This one is clear. I don't know why we bought here, but swing low first entry. Oh, swing low first entry. Second entry. Up, up, up. I thought that flat line, but that's clearly moving up. And you can see that there. And yeah, sell. Ooh, this one's interesting. Swing high first entry, second entry, overall trend down. Strength. Sell. Yeah, that works out. And looks like we got some setups here, like a swing low first entry, second entry, and that could be the down, down. Oh, there's that flat line again. So that means, oh wait, but it's not disagreeing. So down, down. It's a strength, weakness. We'll call it strength since it's not on the downtrend. So sell. Oh, I think it's a buy. That was unintentional. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Damn it. So it was weakness. Because actually you can see the downtrend right there from here all the way down. So weakness, so sell. I mean buy. And we got a swing low, first entry, second entry. There's spike, so up, up. Sell, so I mean up, up, weakness, so sell, so buy. Looks like it works out. We are also testing out the Nasdaq. It's pretty much almost the same. A little bit clearer swings. Swing low first entry, let's see. Up, up, oh, I don't know. I'm gonna say weakness, so up, up, and sell, yeah. Just because it's not an uptrend, it's just like a correction. Maybe it does have something a lot more to do with the trend instead of what direction it is heading. Yeah,